Welcome in, TaylorKitchen family. Today we're making some delicious cranberry orange muffins per request of a friend of mine. So these muffins are absolutely fabulous, fantastic, and I'm going to use sourdough starter in mine. You don't have to do it that way, but I just love the extra flavor that the sourdough starter gives these muffins. So I'm starting in here with my dry ingredients. This is just flour, and then I have baking powder, baking soda, and salt. I just give those a little whisk around, and then they're ready for me. And I start on the wet ingredients. First and foremost, for those wet ingredients, I need my sourdough starter. And you're going to use roughly a half a cup of sourdough starter. Okay, to that starter goes everything else. I have a half a cup of a Greek yogurt. This is going to make these muffins so moist and the crumb in them so tender. I have some melted butter, a couple of eggs, splash of vanilla, and then for a sweetness, without using refined sugar, I'm going to use a half a cup of maple syrup, and I'm just using that same half cup that I measured out the Greek yogurt with, to save on washing up, of course. And so all that maple syrup goes in there. Then the orange, I need all of the zest of this orange. The zest is where there's so much flavor. It's just, and as I'm zesting it, it smells fabulous. And just get one of these, a grater zester, and right over all this. I think I've done a pretty good job on this orange. You just want to make sure you don't get down to the white part because that can be bitter. And then I'm just going to cut it in half and juice it. Now this had a bottom to it and I dropped it and broke it, so I still have at least the top part. This is called a reamer, and I'm just going to use it to get as much orange juice out of this as I can, and I'm hoping for roughly a half a cup of juice. You guessed it, I'm just gonna mix up the liquids part really well and try to get that sourdough starter incorporated. If your sourdough starter is more at room temp, if you leave it set out from the fridge for a little bit, it will be a little runnier and easier to incorporate. Gotta switch arms because I did Pilates the other day and they're both sore. Now I just want to pour the liquid ingredients into the dry ingredients. I'm going to start with my whisk, and then I will switch to a spatula. You don't want to overmix these because then it will tend to make your muffins a little tougher, and you don't want that. So right now I'm going to switch to my spatula, and the batter is a little thick, which is what you want. A beautiful batter. It's just this beautiful orange hue, partly from those pasture-raised eggs that I use because the yolks are so golden, and partly because of the orange that's in here. And then we're gonna need our dried cranberries. And it depends on how cranberry-ish you want this, anywhere between a half cup and a cup. This batter smells so good already. Wow. Now we just fill our muffin cups. I bought these really cute muffin tin liners. That way I can overload these muffins. I'm going to start with a scoop in each, and then I will top them off to make sure each one has an even amount of batter. This is an optional step, but if you want to sprinkle a tiny bit of sugar on the top of each one, it kind of gives you that bakery pastry shop vibe with your muffins. Those are going into my 375 oven for about 20 minutes. Hey there, if you haven't yet, please take a moment to subscribe and turn on notifications to our YouTube channel. Click that bell icon below to make sure you get all the latest from us. And give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Let us know what you want to see on Taylor Kitchen. It really helps out our channel and we really love to hear from you. Also, check us out at tkfoodie.com. I've subscribed to vidIQ for a couple of years now. If you're a small YouTube channel or if you're a big YouTube channel and you want to grow more, you want to have more views, you want to have more engagement, you want to have more followers, check out what vidIQ can do for you. They give you optimal launch times, optimal tags, thumbnails, titles, all of the above, great analytics. You too can grow your channel with the help of vidIQ. Just click that link below and see what vidIQ can do for you. They've really helped me and I highly recommend them. And voila, these are gorgeous. They smell fantastic. You should let them cool first, but I want to show you the inside. Oh my goodness. Like seriously. So good. I'm excited to dig into this. Steamy and wonderful. They smell so orangey. I've got a little French butter crock here. So absolutely I'm gonna put a tiny bit of butter on this super hot muffin. Give it a taste. Oh, wow. I know I say that a lot. Oh, wow. These are so good. They're moist. They're really orangey. And that little pop of cranberry, you put dried cranberries in that, but they soften and plump up in the baking process. And they're just little sweet nuggets of joy in this orange cranberry muffin. Super delicious. You're gonna wanna try these, especially around the holidays. This would make a really nice muffin for a brunch, or just make them to give as gifts. I would like these as a gift. Check out the easy recipe. It's on tkfoodie.com. Ingredients. We're done. Here he comes, Mr. America.